Alright, this is the first question from the first homework called POSNELS. In this question there are 3 nurses and 5 activities, and the 4th activity is done by the dryer. So let's make the process flow diagram for this. This is worker 1, worker 2, the dryer, and the worker 3. Worker 1 does task 1. It takes 1 minute per customer. Worker 2 does task 2 and task 3. It takes her 8 minutes per customers. The dryer, it takes 10 minutes per customer, and the worker 3 takes 4 minutes per customer. Now we can calculate the capacity. As there is one worker in each station or each resource, 1 divided by 1 customer per minute, 1/8, 1/10, and 1/4. Now we are ready to do any kind of analysis here. As we know, the dryer now is the bottleneck because this is the lowest capacity. The first question asks, what resource is the bottleneck? Well, the dryer is the bottleneck. The next question asks, what is the utilization of server 2? Okay, for question 2, utilization is defined as flow rate divided by capacity. Because this is for the server 2, we have to use the capacity of server 2. Well, the flow rate is the capacity of the bottleneck. We could have written here for ourselves, the process capacity is 1/10 and the flow rate is 1/10 units per minute. So flow rate is 1/10, capacity is 1/8, thus we have 1/8 8 divided by 10, that is 80%. The third question asks, what is the average labor utilization of the servers? Assume that there is unlimited demand and the process only admits the customers at the rate of the bottleneck. Well, first we need to find what is the cycle time. Cycle time is 1 divided by flow rate. In this case, 1 divided by 1/10, which is 10 minutes. Now we can calculate the idle time of each worker. So idle times is, for the first worker, she works 1 minute out of every 10, so idle time is 9. Second worker, the idle time is 2 minutes, and the third worker, the idle time is 6 minutes per customer. Similarly, the formula for the average labor utilization is labor content divided by some total idle time plus the total labor content. Well, the total labor content is 1 minute plus 8 minutes plus 4 minutes. That is equal to 13 minutes. The total idle time is 9 plus 2 plus 6. Again, the total labor content is 1 plus 8 plus 4. This comes out to be 13 divided by 30, which is 43.3%. The fourth question asks, assume the wage rate is $15, what's the direct labor cost? Well, direct labor cost is wage divided by the flow rate. Only thing you have to make sure is wage and the flow rate are in same units. So if you're paying $15 per worker, you're paying $45 per hour. So this is dollar per hour. Now the flow rate, we have been using 1/10 unit per minute. We need to convert it into hours. To do that, we have to multiply it by 60, as the conversion factor is 60. So we have 60 divided by 10, that is 6 units per hour, plus divide by 6. This is in terms of customer per hour. So it comes out to be $7.5 per customer.